And that Hummer's one hell of a vehicle, man. Yo! As we used to say in the Senate, as some of my senators, colleagues will know, like Debbie, excuse the point of personal privilege. I came up in an automobile family. My dad ran the largest automobile dealership. He didn't own it, just ran it for 30 years in Delaware. And so I was raised on cars. And I have a 1967 Corvette that I got as a wedding gift when my deceased wife and I got married. My dad could afford the payments. He couldn't afford to buy it. But the point was, I thought that was the hell's bells, man. 327, 350, 0 to 60 in 5.3 seconds. This truck, 3 times heavier. 0 to 60 in 3 seconds. Whoa! You guys in Washington. Anybody want to jump in the back? On the roof?
You look good, President.
This sucker is something else.
What do you think?
By the way, did you see what we're doing there?
Yeah, the crab walk.
Yeah, isn't that incredible?
Unbelievable.
Look at that.
Mary, is he a pretty good driver?
He's a very good driver.
Incredible. And the steering radius of this.
That was
like,
How fast did you
it's
go?
incredible.
What'd you get up to?
I don't know. I didn't look.
He had to look ahead. There's not a lot of track here.
I tell you what, this thing is down to, this is 3 times as heavy as my Corvette, 3 times as fast.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.